Spring is here, and it's time to get planting. If you're wondering what vegetables thrive in the cool, early spring weather, I've got you covered. Here are 7 top vegetables that love chilly temperatures. Spinach. This leafy green grows fast in cool weather and even tolerates light frosts. Planted early for a continuous harvest. Lettuce. Lettuce thrives in spring temperatures, giving you fresh, crisp greens before the summer heat kicks in. Radishes. Need a quick crop? Radishes are ready to harvest in about 30 days, making them perfect for early spring gardens. Peas. Sweet and delicious. Peas love the cold. Plant them as soon as the soil is workable for a bountiful harvest. Carrots. Slow to germinate but worth the wait. Carrots do well in cool soil and develop sweet flavors in chilly weather. Kale. This nutrient-packed superfood is tough and thrives in early spring temperatures. Frost even makes it taste better. Beets. Beets are a dual-purpose crop. Both the greens and roots are edible and grow well in cool conditions. Want a thriving early spring garden? Start with these cold hardy vegetables and enjoy fresh, homegrown produce in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.